Kia ora, my name's Marcia and today I'm going to show you how to install a Trapinator possum trap. Now these traps are designed to be tree mounted, like so. If you don't have a tree, you can do it on a fence post or deck supports, anything that's upright. Now the first thing you want to do is pick a suitable tree. This tree I've got here is a maho. Possums really love munching on these leaves. And you want to look for a lot of possum sign. This one's got scratch marks all up, and we can see some horizontal bite marks, which is sort of like a community notice board for possums. So if you find a tree like that, you've got way more chance of catching possums. Now these guys are really easy to install. You put them about waist height, 1 metre minimum from the ground is the safest option, and you're going to pop in 3 screws in the top like so. Right, once you've done that, open up the lid. Now if your lid's flopping a bit, you can also remove it, like so. And then you're going to remove the bite bar. Thumbs on the outside of the trap and pull it out of its little socket there. So now that this is out of your way, you're going to put in the final screw down in the bottom. Then reinsert the bait bar in one hole first, thumbs on the outside, squeeze together, insert into the other hole. Then pop your lid back on. And you're good to go.